Okay, so let us see now.
I feel like smoke testing is the longest topic
No,
so far.
no, it's not the longest. I mean, it is okay. Okay, let us see now. Okay. You will get to know which is the longest. I think I have taken so much time to do system testing. That is the longest. I mean, rest of them all are not that much longer chapters. Okay. Let me charge my laptop. Yeah. So you guys are not having any idea about automation. Yes or no?
No.
Yes, sir.
So
No
what is
idea.
automation and all? Let us see now. Now let me explain you. You know, there is a build B01. The developer is given for us. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Your build B01 is given for our testing,
Yes, sir.
where I have 10 smoke scenarios. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How much time is required to execute the smoke scenarios? Okay, let me write smoke test cases directly. How much time is required? Hardly some 25 minutes.
Very
Yes, sir.
yes, that's fine.
So B02 they have given. So B02 means some features they have added for sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us take some 20 smoke test cases. Sir, how 20 means? The old test cases, whichever 10 is there, this is basic and critical features only. Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the features which was present in B01, we are copying that and we are writing the code for B02. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So obviously we have to test the features here. Adding a module might impact my old modules. So I have to execute my old test cases as well, right?
Yeah.
So this is 10, old 10, new 10. Okay. Let me write that as well. Old test cases 10 plus new test cases 10. It means total 20. Got it. Next, we
Yes.
got a build B03. Now, old test cases, let me take out of 20. Now, how many test cases I got old? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
what are the old test cases now?
10 cases.
20, sir.
How 10? It is 20
Now
now,
plus-
because build B03 means this 2 became older now. Old,
Yes,
let me
sir.
take 20. Out of 20, I am planning to execute only 18. Rest 2 is I'm just ignoring. Ignoring in the sense, I know that it is not impacting that whatever
Okay.
the 2 test cases are there, that is not impacting. And new test cases, let me take 10 only. So can I tell now 18 plus 10, 28 test cases?
Yes, sir.
So now let me take the time as well. So to execute 10 test cases, I have taken how much time?
25 minutes.
30 minutes. Let me take. Okay. 30 minutes is also very less. Next, another 10 added, 45 minutes. Now another something is added. Let me take one hour directly. Next B04 came. Okay. Where B04 voltage cases 28 plus I have written some 15 test cases as a new test cases. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Reena, understanding now?
Yeah.
New means new module feature, new features test cases, that is smoke test cases. And the old is I'm just carrying that.
Yes, sir.
Why I'm executing old test cases again, adding a new feature might impact my old module as well. To
Yes, sir.
ensure that whether the old module is not affected, so I am doing that old module test cases again. I'm executing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Mm, now, how much it is? 28 plus 15,
43.
30, 43, 43 test cases. I want obviously 1.5 hour time.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or it may extend 2 hours.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Let me go like that. Okay. Let me go like that for build B08. Okay. Build
Yes, sir.
B08. Now 4 to 8 means let me take my old test cases as around 50 or 60. Okay.
Okay.
Plus new 15. How much?
75.
75.
75.
Mm-hmm.
So 75 test cases are there.
Hmm.
Now it is taking almost 7 hours to do my smoke testing.
Hmm.
It means almost 1 day it is consuming.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you think the same story is happening for B20, let us take B20 is one of the build we got. We have around 200 test cases total. I'm just giving you an example, okay? Where
Yes,
we
sir.
need around 2 days to do the testing.
Yes, sir.
So as I said to you, as I told you in the previous classes,
Yeah.
it is the smoke testing can be done within 2 hours or 3 hours or within half day. Now
Yes, sir.
7 hours means full day, 200,
Correct.
2 days. It is still in 2 days. So the time is taken more means obviously I'm wasting some time in the test cycle as well as my functional testing, integration testing, system testing scenarios are pending, test cases are pending, where I can't finish all those test cases in my particular test cycle.
Correct.
I am delaying my test cycle means I am delaying the release as well.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So in order to avoid this type of scenarios, okay, the company will go for the automation.
Okay.
So smoke testing will be done in both manual and
And also-
automation.
Automation.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we will do automation for functional integration system. Yes. Okay. Obviously, yes, we will do. But for smoke testing, no, we in our mind it was like only 10 test cases we will go for automation. It was there. But if you observe this scenario or this particular situation over here, it is like keep on increasing. The test cases also keep on increasing. That time you have to go for the automation.
Okay.
Once the test cases are tested 3 to 4 times. Let me tell, my old test cases, I have tested 1 time, 2 time. Can I tell these test cases are tested 1 time here, 2 times
Yeah.
here, 3 times here, 4 times
Or-
here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So here
Because you are
what I will do, out of 43 test cases, I will write the test cases for or automation scripts. We'll not call it as a test cases. We'll call it as a automation scripts for 10 test cases.
okay.
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 Now, how many we left here? 10 minus 43. Can I tell 33, no?
Yes, sir.
33 manual and 10 automation.
Automation.
Similarly, B08 came. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Around I have automated. See, these automation test engineers are keep on converting the automation scripts. Like now 10 is done. For the next one, they are taking this old 10 as well. Next this 10 as well. So if you come here, old test case is 60, around automation scripts. Okay, for let me take 40 test cases. Okay. Manual, what is the remaining? 40, 50, 60, 50, 25. Got it. Manually, I am doing 25 test cases plus automation script I have written for 40. So I am doing that. How automation will work means these 40 test cases, whatever you have done as automation, you have written the code. I mean, select, you have written a script. A script means it is like a story you will write in a Selenium, like one after one, what and all actions my Selenium want to do on the browser. Okay.
Okay.
You can write the script and you can run the script in the background. Okay. It is running in the background. Once you run the script, no, let me take Selenium only. It is running in the background. Parallelly, I can do my manual testing as well. So it means my manual testing is taking around 2 hours. Let me take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Within the same 2 hours, my automation testing also done. It means parallelly it is going on, no?
Yes, sir.
So within 2 hours, both 75 test cases I have tested. I'm not testing here for 7 hours.
Yeah.
I have completed within 2 hours. Similarly, if the scripts are 200 are there, obviously around 140 test cases is already automated. That is the duty of automation test engineers. Once the manual test cases ran 4 to 5 times, okay, or 6 times, or bunch of times, anything, not a particular number. The test cases are become user friendly for the software. Software will work obviously until unless there is no changes impacting on my old modules.
Correct.
See, when you are running the automation scripts, if something went wrong, the test case will fail. Directly, it will show it as a fail. Okay, it will not show it as a defect. It will show it as a fail. Test case fail means you will go to that particular test case, do it manually, check one more time manually. Only one test case. Now, how much time it will take? Obviously, you are doing same test case execution many times you have done. So it will not take so much time. Okay, it will take some 5 or 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes only you take. You are retested, you got a defect, communicated to the developer. Blocker defect you got. So you will communicate to the developer. Developer got the sufficient time to fix the defect. Understanding, no, what I'm telling?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
why we should go for automation means what? To reduce the time.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Got it. So, sir, can I go directly for the automation? Never. Got it. Once the manual testing is done and the software quality is good, I am ensuring that manual test case is ran for 4 to 5 times. Then only I can go for automation. So later, I am doing both manual and automation testing parallelly so that my time is not wasting here, as well as my working output or production output or whatever you will call is very much precised. Okay, very much
Yes, sir.
precise. There is no wasting of time here. If you take, you see, around 500 test cases are there. All 500 are not new. Okay, around 450 will be old. Okay, in the 450, I will take 400 as the test cases which is ran at least 4 to 5 times. So 400 automation scripts are ready. I am running that by using Selenium. Parallelly, see how, sir? See, here I am doing the class. This is automation is going on. Here I am doing manually.
Correct.
Just one
Yes,
tab
sir.
change. but parallelly
Correct.
both are working, no? So
Yes, sir.
here, how many test cases are there? It's not about the number. And sir, how much time it will take to run an automation script? How much time you are taking to blink your eyes?
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take for functional, this much is enough. For integration, 2 times blinking. Okay.
Okay.
For system, you take 5 times blinking. It means 5 seconds. Huh? So can I tell 450 test cases within 10 minutes also it can complete. I'm telling you. Understood.
Yeah.
But the way how you have written the test cases in automation scripts, that is different story. That you will learn in your automation classes. But for the automation scripts, manual test cases is only the base, right? By looking at the manual test cases only, you can write the automation scripts. Keep in your mind.
Oh, okay.
Whatever the steps you have mentioned now while you are writing the test cases, same way you have to write the automation script. Without manual test cases, nobody can do the automation script. Nobody can write the automation scripts. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, in order to do the work balance, we have to go for both manual and automation. So I can't tell that manual is uh, the society or the market is like, hey, manual is useless. Yeah, and you may get some ads in the YouTube when you are watching some videos or something. No, hey, still you are doing a manual testings. Update to automation. Hey, still you are doing a manual testing means, yeah, it is your mistake. First thing,
Okay.
update to automation. But few fellows will tell manual is outdated. Will never be outdated, guys. Okay,
Okay.
keep in
Yes,
your
sir.
mind. The manual
Yeah.
scripts only are converting into automation.
Hmm.
So this is the difference between manual and automation. So both, if you are an automation test engineer, you should know how to do the testing manually as well. You should know how to write the test cases as well. There are few test engineers, they will directly go for automation. Okay, work in one
Yes,
of
sir.
the company. Later they will jump to another company where they
Yeah.
might give you the interview might be on manual and plus automation, right? So they might ask you manual questions as well. They might tell you to write the test scenarios as well. If you are telling directly I know automation, they will tell, sir, in our company we need both manual and automation requirement. Direct automation openings are not there. So
Yes.
he lost his job.
Yeah.
So testing means you should know completely. Automation also you should know. Manual also you should know. So you understood like how the time will be managed.
Yeah.
Sir, so question.
Hmm,
Suppose, in the first test cycle, when
hmm,
the manual test engineers are writing test scenario and test
hmm,
cases,
hmm,
what
hmm,
are the
hmm.
automation test engineers doing at that time?
Automation test engineers are not doing anything.
Oh, okay.
There are some other process in testing, okay, like preparing
Mm-hmm.
test plan. And keep in mind, automation scripts will be done not done by the fresher.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, they
Yes,
might
sir.
give some test cases, basic test cases, I can tell for the freshers, not a important test cases, until
Okay.
unless you get a complete knowledge.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And automation test engineers are working in a company. Obviously, they have to write the automation scripts,
Mm-hmm.
or else they can do manual as well initially,
Okay.
but time taken will be more. No,
Yeah.
build
Yes, sir.
B01 is only 5 days of work. No,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
after 5 days, they have to do their job.
Correct.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
this is how the manual and automation will work in the company, or how we will be doing manual and
Mm-hmm.
automation at a same shot. So both are like a eyes.
Yes, sir.
Manual, you never ignore manual or never
Mm.
regret automation, like that.
Mm.
Manual and
Yes.
automation. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So, sir,
So yeah,
I have a question. Selenium is run by the Java, right?
Java, there are 14 languages. Okay. Languages means your Java is one of the language. Like
Okay.
that, you have Python. You can do Python Selenium as well. You can do Ruby, Selenium as well, or you can do C++, Selenium as well. Okay, Selenium will support for 14 languages.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Wow.
and it is free.
Yes, sir.
No need of giving a amount of paid version. No, it's not a paid version. It's free.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think in US also they are using Selenium, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, Selenium.
Hmm. Okay, so you understood this story, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Now take the screenshot.
Yes.
Done.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
One.
So explanation you only write by yourself. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
There is no explanation for this. You have to write.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm removing this.
I
Now
have
let
question.
us. Yeah.
So, I understand that we have to, at least for our knowledge, we need to understand the automation, right? But this is not
Hmm.
part of our curriculum for interview or for
Hmm.
mock exam, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Completely I'm teaching manual. There is no one line of automation script because you need to know the Java or Python or any
Yeah.
of the programming language to understand automation. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So now let us go with there is a important question that will be asked in the interview. Tell me the difference between the
Mhm.
difference between smoke and sanity testing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If you
Okay.
Google this question will be, if you check top 10 manual testing interview questions,
Okay.
you will get this question.
Okay.
Okay. Top 10
Yes, sir.
questions. Tell me the
Mhm.
difference between smoke and sanity testing.
Correct.
Okay. So
Mm.
what are the difference between smoke and sanity testing? First of all, is there any difference between smoke and sanity testing? I told you sanity is the other name of smoke testing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I'm telling there is some differences between smoke and sanity.
Hmm.
Yeah. So which you have to trust, which you should not trust, or which you need to think of. Is there any difference between smoke and sanity? So, as my experience, smoke and sanity both are similar. Okay, you have to explain like this. Okay, this is the first line you have to mention like this. Actually, there is no difference between smoke and sanity.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
sir.
But you are telling that as per my experience,
Mm-hmm.
smoke and sanity both are similar. I'm not telling it both are same. Okay,
Okay.
we will be differentiated both based on when we are doing it. Okay,
Okay.
Mm.
when we are doing it. So smoke testing is a positive testing.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
after that line you just tell smoke testing is a positive testing.
Correct.
Sanity testing is both positive and negative testing.
Yes, sir.
So you got a doubt, sir, smoke is always positive, no?
Yeah.
Mhm.
but you're telling negative. So there are some similarities, that is positive, but there are some differences as well, no? So this is both positive and negative.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is shallow and wide testing.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Shallow and wide is
Okay.
simple English. This is
Right.
narrow and deep testing.
Okay.
So what do you mean by that? Okay, let me take an example.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
There is a login page. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
there is login page where username text field is there, password
Right.
text field is there,
Correct.
login button is there, cancel button is also there.
Correct.
So how will you do the smoke testing now? Smoke testing कैसे करेगा? If you not tell, I will cancel the class now.
Sir, first we have to do some functional testing with
Why
the
functional
login page.
testing? Why functional testing? I told as soon as you get the build, what testing you have to do?
Smoke
Integration test.
Huh?
No.
So smoke testing.
Smoke testing, no. Why integration? Tai, understand what I'm teaching, no. You are
Yeah.
telling
Sir,
all the.
sir, basically smoke testing is a little bit of functional and integration both.
No,
So if
I'm
you,
not. I'm not mentioning integration system.
Mhm.
Smoke is smoke always. Basic
Okay,
critical means smoke. There is you
okay,
can't differentiate it as functional or integration. Later, while doing functional, you tell it as a functional.
Okay.
okay,
Smoke is first, but first day I
okay,
can't
sir.
teach you a smoke testing. So I have
Hmm.
taken a time and I'm explaining as per when it is with. If you are watching a movie, no, the
Yes, sir.
movie will start with the war.
Uh-huh.
Later they will show their love story and all in
Yes, sir.
between.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Similarly,
Yeah.
this is the beginning, but I'm showing it in between because
Yes,
this
sir.
is like a love story. But
Mm-hmm.
whatever the war that I started initially, first day itself
Oh,
I'm given you that
yeah.
story. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the story started from there, but actual story began from here.
Yes, sir.
So smoke sanity difference, shallow and wide. Shallow and wide means you have to do the high level testing and wide testing. Wide testing means what? I'm entering the valid username, valid password, click on login button.
Yeah.
It will go to the home page or not. It went for the home page, smoke is done because it is only positive.
Yes, sir.
Sanity testing means I will enter the username, password, I will click on login button, home page is display. It is smoke only.
Yes, sir.
But what I'll do, I will enter the username, password, and I will click on cancel button. Cancel means
Oh,
what? I am giving the negative, right? Cancel itself,
negative
it is
scenario.
negative. I will do
Correct.
that. But it
Yes,
should show the error message.
correct.
Similarly, I will enter some wrong inputs and I will try to log in.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Got it? I
Yes,
will
Yeah.
sir.
try to log in. It should show the error messages.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I told you, as per my experience, smoke and sanity both are similar. We will
Mm-hmm.
differentiate both based on when we are doing it.
Mm.
When the baby is born, I'm doing the
Mm.
smoke testing. It
Yes,
means
sir.
when the software, I'm getting a new builds, I'm doing the smoke testing.
Yes, sir.
Assume you want to release the software tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Obviously, you have to do the smoke testing. No, high level, you have to do all the testings.
Yes, sir.
So when you are releasing the software, always if you test the software in a positive point of view and release the software to the customer, how
Yes, sir.
customer can use it in a positive way or he can use it in a negative way, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So if the software is working only for positive, if it is not working or it is not behaving for negative, customer will obviously reject the software.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So what I will do, I will high level, I will do both positive and negative as well.
Oh,
Both I
okay,
will
sir.
do.
Mm-hmm.
But when before releasing. Before releasing means you can tell before acceptance testing.
Hmm.
Got it? So that time
Yes, sir.
I will go for the sanity. This is
Yes,
I'm
sir.
giving you for an example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But
Mhm.
but both are same. High level testings only you are doing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So smoke is positive and sanity is negative. Not negative, both positive and negative. This is a shallow and wide. This is narrow and deep. Okay. It
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
is done by both developers and test engineers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This is I
Yes, sir.
already
Yes.
discussed
Yeah,
with
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but it is done by only the test engineers.
Hmm.
Okay. Sanity
Yeah.
will be done by only the
Testing.
Test
test
engineer.
engineers. It
Yes,
means
sir.
what? Before releasing the software, this is done by us. Okay.
Yes.
It
Yes,
is
sir.
not like developer also have to do. No, developer will not be involved in doing the sanity testing.
Sanity
Okay.
testing. Yes,
There
sir.
will be no developer thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now what I'll do here, we will document scenarios.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So sanity I'm doing at the end. No. Here we will not document any scenarios. Why, sir?
Hmm.
See, when you are doing a testing on an application for many years, no, many days, no need
Mhm.
of thinking of requirement or test scenarios and to test the software
Hmm.
because you are already tested daily. You are doing the same job,
Hmm.
and it is very easy to for you to analyze, and you can do that. That is sanity.
Yes, sir.
Smoke means from the day one you are documenting scenarios and you have to execute. So here we can go for automation. Yes
Yes.
or no? Why?
Yes.
Already scenarios are there.
Yes.
Here we cannot go for automation. Why we can't go for automation? There is no test cases. Then how can I do? How can I go for the what automation? Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
These are the few differences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Hmm.
These are the total 5 differences between
Difference.
smoke and sanity, and it is very important. Without this question, there is no interview. And
Mm-hmm.
answer how you have to generate is also a matter. How you have to generate the answer. Sir, as per my experience, if you're fresher, what you have to
Hmm.
do is, as per my knowledge, knowledge means will
Oh,
you get the knowledge?
correct.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
You are learning as a student, you will get a knowledge.
Yes, sir.
But
Yeah.
you are working as an employee already now one of the company. Now you are trying to switch your job. That type
Yes,
of
sir.
scenario you are facing, no? So
Yeah.
that
Yes.
time, sir, in my experience, no, I have done both smoke and sanity. There are no differences, but based on that
Yeah.
situation, when we are
Yeah.
doing smoke testing, based on that, we will consider it as a smoke or sanity. Okay, smoke
Yes,
is
sir.
always a positive, and sanity is both positive and negative. This is
Negative.
narrow and wide, narrow and deep testing, and it is
Yes.
done by both developers and test engineers. It is done by only test engineers. Here we'll document the scenarios from day one, sir. In Sanity, we will not document anything. Randomly, we will enter the inputs, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And here we can go for automation since we have the test scenarios and test cases. We can write the test scripts, automation
Correct.
script.
Yes.
But here
Okay.
you can't go for the automation because there is no
Yes.
test cases and not required as well because you are about to release the software 4 5 days later. Nobody will sit and write the test cases. No,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
understood.
Yeah.
So these are the differences between smoke and sanity. Very important.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Now just take the screenshot.
Screenshot.
I'm giving you 3 minutes of time now.
Yes,
How
sir.
many minutes? Now,
3 minutes.
what is the time over there? Here 8
9:30.
9:30. Yeah.
9:33.
Yeah, 9:36 I will ask. Steady,
Okay.
fast.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very important. If you have any doubts, let me know. Not understood, huh?
Yeah. So you will ask the difference between both, right? In
I
3
will
minutes.
ask you what is the difference between smoke and sanity question.
Okay.
You need to answer. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So yes, who will tell first?
So as we start, we should start from, as per my knowledge, um, smoke testing and sanity testing both are similar, and we will be difference between both based on when we are doing it. So basically,
Okay.
smoke testing. Yeah, sorry. If Prerna wants to go, that's fine too, or I can go.
Yes. So, sir, I can tell about smoke testing. Smoke testing is always a positive scenario testing. It is
It's not like a
therefore,
positive scenario testing, it's a positive testing.
It's a positive testing. It is shallow and wide testing. Here we have to write test cases.
No, you
Uh,
should tell the differences, not only smoke. Difference
okay.
means what? What you will do there, what you will do here.
So
Okay.
smoke testing is positive, sanity testing is positive and negative. Smoke testing is shallow and wide. Sanity testing is narrow and deep. Smoke testing, it is done by both developers and test engineers. Sanity testing is only done by test engineers. In smoke testing, we will document the scenarios. In sanity testing, no documentation of scenarios. In smoke testing, we can go for automation. In sanity testing, we cannot go for automation.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So okay. Now, 1 second.